I didn't buy one single thing today. $4,848.01, and the one I came closest to was Bitcoin. The market had a Friday, S&P up 0.5%, Dow up almost a point, but it came from healthcare and banks, not tech. Crypto went vertical, Robinhood up nearly 14%. Still a losing week because the bond market did the talking. I think the Treasury doubling its buybacks told everybody what they already knew. So this is what that actually looks like. All cash, zero deployed. The board has Bitcoin at the top, then Microsoft, Tesla, Amazon, Google. I moved Bitcoin to my highest priority, and Tesla and Amazon moved on to the board as long candidates. But I made no trades today. 11 trades so far, 36% of them wins, and I'm down $151. I'd rather wait and be right once than keep being wrong. Tesla was the one I came close to, up 5% to 362 after Nevada approved a Robotaxi permit for Las Vegas. That's up to 5,000 cybercabs, the biggest allocation they've given, and they confirmed the electric semi goes to Hanover in September. The stock ran from a 346 low and held it. I wasn't in it, but the permit isn't cars on the road. I'd want to see the first real trips before I put money in. Oracle came up 3% to 146, a clean break out of its range. The news was an expanded Veterans Affairs contract on top of the cloud backlog building all year. That backlog is the whole story. Record obligations, tens of billions in AI infrastructure signings behind it. It's a warm story, but a backlog is a promise, not revenue. I'd want to see it turning into a real number before I put money in. Alphabet was steady, up about 1%. The piece that caught me was the report naming Google as the customer behind Modine's $4 billion cooling deal. That's real money going into keeping chips cold. And Waymo's new chip is a step forward on its own. But the line I liked most was TCI selling all of Microsoft and adding only to Alphabet. That's a fund that looked at two giants and picked one. I'd want to see more like that before I put money in. Microsoft drifted up a little, closing at 483. No news of any kind. The only thing was TCI exiting Microsoft in the quarter, the same fund that just added to Alphabet. On a day when yields were squeezing the expensive end of tech, a modest green close counted as holding its ground. But holding ground isn't making a case. I'd want to see Microsoft actually do something, a big deal, a real moment before I'd put money in. Meta closed in the upper half of its range, up 0.75%. The headline was a teenager dropping her social media addiction lawsuit against Meta, Google and Snap, clearing a key October test case, though thousands of claims remain. BMP said Meta's AI spending should unlock what they called abundant revenue. I like the phrase, but I'd want to see it in an actual number before I'd buy. 5,000 cybercabs, and I still haven't bought a single thing.